Meaning of imminently.
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 Imminently. The word imminently means that something is about to happen soon or in the near future. It usually refers to something that is expected to occur within a short period of time and is likely to have consequences or effects on those involved. For example, if a hurricane is approaching a coastal town, people might say that the storm is imminently arriving, meaning that it will hit the area in a matter of hours or days. In general, the term imminently implies a sense of urgency and imminent action that needs to be taken.